So,
You want to film you in front of it?
no, it's not so excited.
Put this in here.
Ah, yeah, okay. What floor?
Fifth.
Pupunta kami mga auntie sa cinema. Sa cinema mall. Malayo pa naman doon. Uy, boss. Boss, oh. Boss. Boss, boss. Saan ang parabon?
But this is not water repellent, so if it starts raining, it goes like this.
Yeah. Cannot
The
use...
blue one from last year was better. The cheaper.
Huh? Which one? The blue one?
The blue light down jacket I had last time.
Ah.
That one was much better. Big pocket inside, and water repellent and nice color, but cheaper, of course.
Star Doom.
One I bought for 100 crowns in this one here I paid fingers.
Now it's on. Can you see?
Filming?
Yeah. It's filming. So, Nanood tayo ng IMAX cinema dito sa Bangkok. So, nandito yung, hala ka, social diri dayo eh. May ano din sila, may bowling, may everything. Sure, may bowling, may everything. Layuan niya kung kauban, videographer. Oy. So, let's go. Paragon Hall. Ang laki naman ito, day. Nandito kami ngayon mga auntie sa Siam. So, let's see what's some avatar. Ibong naong murag avatar. Let's go. I love here, oh. Parang hindi ako sanay mga auntie na fini-film ako. So, biglang nasa likod kayo. Ang ganda dito dahil murag VIP kayo ta diri ah. Actually nagpa-VIP ning isa pero ang naong mura magdi-VIP. Did
You pick follow you? What?
Yeah, it should be. It's tracking me, yeah? So enough. That's enough. You cannot because it's tracking me. You have to. Now. So, ayun. Ang mga movie nila ay ito. Ito yung movie nila mga ina. Wala may Avatar. Survivor. Ay, wala yung Avatar dahil. Is there Avatar?
What's playing?
Now? No Avatar, yeah? Pero ang ganda ng ano nila dahil. Ang ganda ng cinema nila, sinihan. VIP box office, may VIP din dito. Yun, oh. Sushi. Kumisaray. Doon nagtatanong si Dodong kung may avatar ba daw. No? So? What do you wanna watch? So, ayun mga auntie. Picture si Dodong. Picture, picture. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito, Day. Ang ganda ng cinema. Makakuan kaayo, makasosyal kaayo. Oh, syalan kaayo, Day. You look so social.
Social
Yeah.
or sexual?
Do not say that, uy. I said social. You look so... So. So what are we gonna do here now? We're just sitting here. Ang lingkod lang may diri, Day. Kana lang akong kuan nun diri, Day. Di lang may mag-cinema kay... Wa man sila. Ang plano sana naming titignan is yung Avatar. Nya, wa may Avatar, Day. Yung sama na nimo. Ang amuar mang naong ang Avatar. This is my Avatar. This is my Avatar. So, what now? I think we just go back and then watch some Avatar outside in the hotel. Ah. There's many Avatar outside there.
I guess we can wait for the 9 o'clock movie then.
Yeah, maybe.
Just go to a cafeteria and sit there. Have a coffee.
Maybe we should go to Icon Siam tomorrow.
Huh?
We go to Icon Siam tomorrow. May magandang ano dito mga ante, yung boat, magsiselling. Pero ang nakaano lang, you've been there already. Yun yung pinuntahan niya mga ante, nasa kabilang ano lang, kabilang building. You've been there. It's just near in the CV locker.
I don't recognize this building you showed me.
It's just behind there.
Did you say it's a new?
I think
Complex.
it's a new building near in the river. Where there's a lot about mga anti-kalayers, yung famous ngayon sa Thailand na pwede kang mag-boat sailing tapos mag-party doon sa boat. So, yun sana yung maganda. Diba dong?
I wanted to switch around the camera.
Triple, 3.
Oh, that was many times. It's quite beautiful.
Yeah. Slow down po. Uy, grabe po ka maka. Kuan. Hello mga anti-kadayers. Uy, it's filming, no? There's some filming there, my love. Oh, I can hear the... I can hear the cinema. That's up and down,
Nah,
ha?
this zooming doesn't go well.
I know what I love. Ang ganda dito, mga anti-chaos. Para akong VIP dito. It feels like I'm the VIP person. Very important. Very important unsa man, very important nga payat. I love you.
I have to get to learn used to.
Let's go mga anti-chaos.
So let's check the other time. I mean, maybe it only shows future time.
No, that's all. 9 o'clock, the last, and then I don't know how many hours the movie. Yeah, you check. Ay, alas 9 pa. Uy, oh, tignan yung mga auntie. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, no? So, i-check ni Dodong kung ang oras ay fit sa kanya. The next one. Here. Is that here? We go down here? No, this is the nice place. Wait, this way. I wanna go to that cafe. Oh, I wanna go to that place. Ay, wala may kuan diri day, wala may kabuhay-buhay. Is that there? Down there, I think. Ay, may pagwa ko nagkuan aning antipara day kay mura man siya sagabal. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa ground floor mga ante. Nandito yung mga food court, food chorbalo. And then, maghanap lang kami ng coffee area. May hinahanap kaming coffee shop na sobrang ganda. Yung last time dito kami, ang ganda ng decor. Nakaka-art decor talaga. Ay, daming tao dito, day.
Yeah.
Ayan. Asa man to dong, sabi niya alam daw niya kung nasaan yon. So, sundan lang natin siya. Ang sarap naman itong cookie, day. Kasi na ako mabanggaan, di hanganang. Dalag pagkaon. Chatramui. Are you sure you know where is that? I think it's down there, my love. Oh.
Just have to walk around to
Dairy Queen.
where the two green deers with the golden antler.
Yeah, but are you sure are the deer is still there?
Yeah, I've seen some the other day.
Ah, my love. Ang ganda. Daming tao dyan. Naghagi gutom diri dahil daming. Maybe it's all the way to the end. To the shop there. Food court.
Maybe not the same level.
This is the
It's the wrong level.
this is the one here, I think.
Oh, that's the deer.
Here, there's the deer. Dear, my dear. Dear, my dear. Grabe yung ano nila dito dahil it's very creativity. Nati. Hindi tayo makalabas.
Lost the antlers.
There. Here. My love. Here. Ito yung hinahanap namin dahil. Maganda kasi dito. Ayan. It's nice. There's two down there in the other side, in the entrance. It's filming already, huh? So, welcome to the ground floor of Dear My Dear. And then, ito yung mga food court area nila, mga antikadayers. So, maghanap lang kami ng coffee shop. At saka, wala day chocolate. Oh my God, nasa kong atubangan. So, ha? What?
I flip it around and it turns off.
Yeah,
High format.
iPhone.
You don't need a watch or a leg. We tried that one already.
You take this one? Huh? Dito tayo mga Inday. Hello. I prefer to the... Maybe this one, no? Here? You wanna sit here? Order tayo ng coffee. Coffee. Iced coffee. So, what do you want to order, my love? My lovely boy. What do you want to order, sir?
How about all of it?
Oh, you're so dangerous. Oh, you don't forget your teeth, dong. Your teeth, remember?
I want a blueberry.
Yeah, okay, we can share. And then I want iced cappuccino. Ang ganda naman dito, Day. Oh, it's very, ano dito, Day. It's very social. Imong naong diriin, Day. Social kaayo, Day. It's very nice. You are so social. To make the camera level, the head level, double click 2 times. And then to flip for you 3 times. You agree? Yeah. So I'm gonna order, wow, it's very sexy. It's very sexy, my love. Sexy like me. Like this blue deer with my deer. My dear husband. Alright, mga anti-kadayers. Nag-ano lang kami. Nag-order ako ng ice cappuccino, tapos almond croissant, and then kay Dodong hot cappuccino, and then blueberry. Gusto ko sana doon, kasi sobrang social doon sa kabila, Day. Grabe ka social. Ang social doon sa kabila, mga anti-kadayers, kaya gusto ko doon gusto ko doon gusto ko doon mag-film. My love, down there ba? It's really nice. It's a lot of chocolate. Dangerous chocolate. The other side. I wanna try the really expensive coffee shop in Bangkok. Do you know where is that? I wanna see what's the difference. Comment down below mga anti-kadayers kung saan natin yan makikita yung super expensive coffee shop dito sa Bangkok. Kung meron ba. Yung pinakamahal dyan, kanang mahal, kanang yung sa sobrang mahal, hindi mo na mainom yung kape. Yung feeling mo, dalhin mo na lang yung kape sa bahay at ipalaminate para para hindi ka masayangan, Day. Tapos si Dodong, grabe pa-mixture, Day. Basta mga ganitong lugar, yung mga scenic na mga lugar, Day, mga art, decoration, di yun na siya mahiluna. Picture is life na siya, Day. Asan ba yung cleaner ng aking lens, Day? I-try kong ilagay yung wide angle. Pero parang wala ata dito, Day. Ayan. Andiyan na yung ano namin, Day.
Croissant and get
Ang ganda dito, oh. Ayan yung deer. Deer beer. Wala ka nice, diri aday, oy. Naa sila pa-lake-lake, diri, oh. Ang ganda doon, Day, oh. Sa na restaurant. Pwede kayo dyan, mga ante, oh. Wow, it's very
Knows His
nice.
love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows His love is free and wide.
It should be here now. Kain si Dodo. Ang tagal naman ng coffee namin. Kapong makap. Ayan na yung coffee namin. So, kain tayo mga anti-dyers.
you get the wrong background.
Purple has slow down, madam. But what about you? The microphone is here, ha, in my chest. So what you can say to their... It tastes good, but I need some sugar. You forget to give me some sugar. Ang sarap, Day. Ang sarap ng ano, ng coffee. Oh my God, pwede magkinamot. Kinamot tapos ihapak ang imuhang rosong sa mong na. It's good? No, I have this one. I have that. This is enough. I wanna taste the almond croissant. Wow, looks good. Oh. Yummy. Fresh. What you can see? How taste 1 to 10? Number 10? That's a lot of number. Number 10. Oh, gyud gialang-alang ni Dodong, number 10 gyud. It's really yummy.
Better than Spain, the food here.
Yeah. Also fresh.